Navigating the language C. Diving into double prepositions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on prepositions. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic that can take your English grammar to the next level. Double prepositions. What are they? How do we use them? Why are they important? Stick around, and you'll find out. Before we dive into double prepositions, let's quickly recall what prepositions are. They are words that link and establish relationships between nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. These relationships often indicate direction, location, time, or manner. A few examples of common prepositions include in, on, at, by, and with. For instance, in the sentence, "The book is on the table," the preposition on is showing the relationship of location between book and table. So what are double prepositions? These are prepositional phrases made up of two, and sometimes three, prepositions used together to convey a particular meaning. Some examples include into, upon, out of, from behind, in between, and many others. Remember, using the right double preposition can drastically change the meaning of your sentence. Let's take the sentence, "She came out of the house." If we change out of to into, the sentence becomes, "She came into the house," which has a completely different meaning. In this section, we'll focus on how to use double prepositions. To understand their function, it's often best to see them in action. For example, let's consider the double preposition, out of. In a sentence like, "He pulled a rabbit out of his hat," the double preposition, out of, is used to show the origin or source of the rabbit. Remember, while double prepositions may seem complex at first, they're just another tool to enrich your English language usage. The best way to master double prepositions is by practicing. In this section, we'll do just that. Here are some sentences for you to try filling in with appropriate double prepositions. 1. She peered, blank, the window to look at the snow. 2. He ran, blank, the room, in search of his lost keys. 3. The cat jumped, blank, the couch to the floor. We hope you found this section useful for practicing and understanding how to use double prepositions. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into double prepositions. We hope this has clarified what they are and how to use them in your English grammar. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. So keep practicing and don't give up. See you in our next lesson.